Today you'll take your quiz for Section 3.3 in Social Studies. Remember to put your name, date, and class period at the top of the page. The first section is matching. Match each item with the correct statement. Here's your word list. A. Quakers. B. Pacifist. C. Patroon. D. Peter Stuyvesant. E. Proprietor. Number 1. Surrendered to the English without a fight in 1664. Who did this? 2. This person founded the colony of Pennsylvania. 3. This is the name given to a landowner in New Netherlands. It's not a person, it's the title we give them. Number 4. This is the word we use to describe someone who refuses to fight wars. And number 5, this is what we call the sole or only owner and ruler of a colony. The next section is multiple choice. Indicate the best choice that completes a statement or answers the question. Which of these was originally called New Amsterdam? Was it A, New Jersey, B, New York City, C, Philadelphia, or D, Rhode Island? Number 7. Which of the following was named after an island in the English Channel? Was it A, Delaware, B, New Amsterdam, C, New Jersey, D, Pennsylvania? Number 8. This person, it's a man, he designed the City of Brotherly Love. Was that A, Sir George Carteret, B, Oliver Cromwell, C, William Penn, or D, Peter Stuyvesant? Number 9. What 1701 document granted Pennsylvania colonists the right to elect legislative representatives? Was that document called A, the Charter of Colonists, B, the Charter of Pennsylvania, C, the Charter of Privileges, or D, Penn's Charter? Number 10. William Penn allowed some of Pennsylvania's southern counties to function as a separate colony, and what was that called? Was it called A, Delaware, B, New Amsterdam, C, Philadelphia, D, New Pennsylvania?